this wonderful treadmill I used for walking and jogging indoor. So it has been serving me for past 15 years, but now it was not working, not turning on. So I figured out that the circuit was not producing enough voltage to run the motor. So initially I suspected that this MOSFET, usually these MOSFETs are used in regulators, so this might be dead. So I checked it, but it was okay, but still I replaced it and we tried our best, and but still this circuit was not fixed. So what we did is we created our own bypass circuit, and by using a rectifier bridge, I'll show you guys. I made this high ampere rectifier diode bridge because we couldn't find any real 100 ampere rectifier bridge. All that was available in market, they were not running. They were basically rated 100 ampere, but in actual they were not 100 ampere. So I made this on my own. I used these Japanese Schottky diodes to make this rectifier bridge, and I also used this AC voltage regulator. So this voltage regulator controls the voltage input directly from AC current. This is used in series, and that AC current just simply go into the rectifier bridge, okay, and then it directly runs the motor. Okay, so let me just show you guys and show you the result of how it is now functional. But we just have to make it more presentable from our side. So, but pretty much we fixed it. So what I'll do is, okay, so now I have connected all the switches and the wiring. We have this regulator, and which is in series, and we have this rectifier bridge, and which is directly connected to the motor. Now I will turn it on. Let's see, it's on. I will rotate this. See, it's working. I will rotate more. See, the speeds are in our control, and we can make it full also, high speed, low speed. So now I have to fix it in the casing to make it more secure and better, but I'm happy that we bypassed this circuit. We will try to use the control board over there, the main control board on the panel. We have the incoming wires here, where we will try to utilize those also. But in the meantime, we find a way to bypass the circuit. Thank you guys. Keep watching my videos for these homemade solutions. Thank you. Okay guys, so I fit everything inside the treadmill machine. This is my regulator circuit. I removed the knob here and the regulator knob, and I put it inside and removed this original one, because original one was 10 kilo ohm, and the one which was inside that regulator module, it was 500k. So I removed it, I put it here. I will put the main knob on it, and here is my rectifier bridge. I replaced it with the earlier one, and this one is enough for this load here. So I use this rectified out. So these two wires are my AC input wire, which are coming from the utility line directly. This goes in the series. This knob is connected to this knob wire on the upper control panel, and the AC current, AC voltage directly goes into this rectifier bridge, and rectifier bridge output, positive and negative, is connected to the motor directly. So now we have a working machine. I'll show you guys a little demonstration also. Okay, so I connected the wiring. Let me show you guys how it works. Here is our motor and everything, and when I'm turning this knob, okay, it started. This is a slow speed. If I turn it more higher and go at a higher speed, you can go at a full speed also. You can slow it down now. The good thing is this fan here will also let this the circuit, it will cool down this circuit also, and this regulator will rectifier bridge also. So this is the ideal location for both of them. So let's fix it now and let's see if it's worked fine.